Good morning. Now we are going to discuss about the analysis of soil test. Soil is one of the most important natural material in civil engineering as it forms the foundation for all type structures such as building, roads, dams and bridges. The behavior and performance of structures largely depend on the engineering properties of the soil on which constructed. Now I am going to discuss the specific gravity. The specific gravity of soil solid is defined as the ratio of the unit weight of soil solid to the unit weight of water at standard temperature. It is denoted by the G. The objective to determine the specific gravity of soil solid using a density pycnometer method. The result of a specific gravity is 2.51. The inference, the obtained value G is equal to 2.51 lies within the normal range of 2.5 to 2.75, which is typical to most inorganic material soil. And it confirms that the soil is not organic, as organic soil generally have lower specific gravity value less than 2.0.
Now I am going to explain about the sieve analysis. Sieve analysis is a laboratory test used to determine the particle size distribution of coarse grained soil by passing the soil through the set of standard sieves by decreasing size. The purpose is to determine the gradation of soil particles to classify soil as per IS 1498, to evaluate the suitability of soil for construction, and to calculate the parameters like D10, D30, D60, CU and CC. The key results are the gravel should be greater than 4.75 mm and we obtained is 14%, and the sand is a major portion, a dominant fraction, and fineness is less than 0.075 mm and that we obtain is 0%, and the gradation parameters is for D10 we obtained 0.45 mm, and for D30 0.425 mm, and for D60 1.8 mm. In inference, we obtained for well-graded soil is Cu less than 6, and these values do not satisfy the condition for well-graded soil. The soil particles are mostly of uniform size, lacking of wide ranges of sizes. This leads to poor interlocking between the particles, and therefore the soil classified as poorly graded soil sand as per IS 1498.
Our topic is liquid limit test. We get the result of liquid limits 36% and the flow index of 14.92%. Detailed inference, the obtained liquid limits the value of 32% indicates the soil belongs to the categories of minimum plastic soil. The flow index of 14.92% refers to the soil shear strength variations, and it is the soil dense very rapidly when water content increase, which is the favorite of stability to increasing the power of moisture conditions. Thank you.
Our topic is liquid limit. Based on these results, the soil exhibits moderate compressibility, meaning it undergoes some settlements when subject to loads but not exclusively. The characteristic is important in foundation designs as it is suggestion a manageable levels of deformation. This soil also shows moderate cohesion, which implies that the particles have reasonable bonding force. Thank you.
My topic is plastic limit. The soil exhibits a moderate shear strength, making it suitable for supporting light medium structural load, and soil the reasonable plastic behavior, which is financial construction at provide workability without shrinkage or swelling. It indicates moderate compressibility, meaning settlement may occur but can be controlled with proper design.
Plastic limit value of 14.95% indicates the moisture content at which the soil starts behaving plastically. Below this value, the soil becomes a semi-solid and tends to the crumble. The plastic index 21.05% shows that the soil has the moderate plasticity, meaning it has been undergo deformation without any cracking, but it is not excessively sickly. The toughness index 1.41 suggests us that the soil has a moderate resistance to deformation at the soil state.